Sometimes when you're dealing with a floor plan that has a wall with a solid inner hatching, it can sometimes get a little bit complicated when you're trying to convert it automatically into a vector file. Let me show you what I mean. If I click on the Convert Raster Image button here, click on Run, just with the default settings, what we get is something that looks like this. On first glance, it looks like it's a pretty good conversion, but if you go to the Both tab, and then click on Highlight Vectors to highlight the converted vectors on top of the original raster, you can see that the edge of these raster walls are really far from the edge of the original vector walls. Now that is controlled by this setting right here, the Raster Line Width. So basically, this setting dictates how far the converted vector line is going to be from the edge of solid black objects like this one. So for example, this one is at its default value of 14, so it's a little bit far away from the edge of the pixels, approximately 14 pixels away. So if you set this all the way up, like maybe even at 50, what happens is, if you click on Run here, you can see that not only is the line really far away from the edge of the black object, it actually turned into somewhat of a center line here. It goes for all of these solid black wall objects in the image. Now, maybe there are some cases that you want to do that, but I think for most walls like this, you'd rather have it right at the edge of these black wall objects. So what you want to do is set the raster line width as low as you can go. In this case, the lowest value is going to be 1. Then you can click on Run, and then you'll see that it's just a mere 1 pixel away from the edge of the object, as you can see. And it goes for all of the solid black wall objects here in this image. So to recap, if you want to create a center line through solid black objects like this, you set the raster line width higher. And if you want it to form some sort of outline that goes around the edges of these solid black objects, then you want to set it low, the lowest value being 1. If you're happy with what you see in this preview window, just click on OK. It'll finalize the changes, and then you can go ahead and click on Export, choose the file format you want to use, and then save it as a converted vector or CAD file. And click on OK.